This following episode of The Fun Life was brought to you by Biella Television. Enjoy.
Brian.
Kimberly.
Tim.
Ashley.
Norman.
Hey Brian, I don't mean to be mean, but when will you go on a date with a girl that you won't have to pay?
Well, I really don't know, Tim. I mean, no girl at work seems to be interested.
What about the new girl Kimberly that came last week?
Who?
Her.
Hi boys, I'm Kimberly.
She is hot. Does she take the train home like me?
Yeah, the same one as you. Yeah, that's great. I'll make my move after work.
Hey Brian, is that you?
Oh, hi Kimberly, yeah, it's me. What train are you taking?
The B train, and you?
Yeah, me too.
By the way, do you want to go out sometime?